Why do some cars pop and crackle when you lift off the gas? Is that actually good for the engine? Those pops come from unburnt fuel igniting inside the exhaust system. Normally, when fuel burns in the engine cylinder, the combustion is finished before the exhaust valves open. But in some performance cars or tuned cars, extra fuel is intentionally left unburned. When that fuel reaches the hot exhaust, it ignites. That creates the popping and crackling sound. Some manufacturers even program this on purpose. It's called a burble tune or pop tune. The engine management system injects small amounts of extra fuel during deceleration to create that aggressive sound. But is it good for the engine? Not really. Occasional pops from factory tuning are usually safe because they're carefully calibrated, but aggressive aftermarket crackle tunes can push extremely hot combustion into the exhaust system. That heat can damage catalytic converters, exhaust valves, and turbochargers over time. So those pops and crackles might sound exciting, but they're mostly for drama, not performance. And in some cases, they can slowly wear your car down.